So, we're in the Department of Cajamarca, Peru, May 2019, and we are in a cloud forest north of Socota, which is north of Cutervo, and you can hear a chainsaw. That's the sound of the biodiversity crisis to me. One tree at a time, they're taking down this beautiful cloud forest. When the chainsaws weren't going, I heard all these sounds of birds. We had the freshest air and the most beautiful sound of birds before the chainsaw. It was the most peaceful, serene environment one could have imagined walking through a cloud forest.